All right, area of a triangle. You'll recall from the earlier sections that the area of a rectangle is the base times the height. So in this case, it would be 5 feet times 8 feet, which is 40 square feet. So how do we find the area of a triangle? Well, if we cut this rectangle in half, you can see if the entire area is 40 square feet, then the area of this triangle is going to be half of that, or 20. And that, it turns out, is the formula for the area of a triangle. It's 1/2 of the base times the height. So in this case, it's 1/2 times 8 times 5. 1/2 times 8 is 4. And that's 20. And because we have feet times feet, that's square feet. And you're probably wondering, well, what if it's not a nice right triangle? What if it's a weird looking triangle? Let's draw a picture. All right, here's a triangle that's not a right triangle. We're going to find the area, which is 1/2 of the base times the height. So the height of the triangle is here. Let's say this is 12 inches. And this entire length is 15 inches. Well, the area is going to be 1/2 times the base times the height. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so you could do 1/2 times 12, which is 6, times 15. And inches times inches is square inches, or you can write it as inches squared. How can we make sense of this formula? Well, let me expand on the drawing. All right, so I've added some imaginary lines to enclose this triangle into a rectangle. And you can see that if this side is 15 inches, then this side is 15 inches. And if this height is 12 inches, then this height would be 12, and this would be 12. And the area of this entire rectangle would be 12 inches times 15 inches, which is 180 square inches. Well, the area of the triangle is half of that. And you can see that it's, if you look at this as two rectangles, it's half of this rectangle plus half of this rectangle. So half of 180 is 90. So it doesn't matter how the triangle is shaped. The area is always going to be 1/2 of the base times the height. And we don't even need the drawing of the rectangle. All we need to know is the base and the height. That's going to be 1/2 times 17 times 15. That's 1/2 times 17 over 1 times 15 over 1. And nothing cancels. We get 255 over 2. Meters times meters is square meters. And in the next chapter, we're going to learn how to make this into a mixed number. You could also make it as a decimal. So we'll do that later.